Manipur police along with central forces in Manipur has to remove barricades spanning from 𝐀𝐋𝐋 to Kangba in Bishnupur district yesterday. Addressing media person at a press meet held last night, Inspector General of Police IGP 𝐀𝐋𝐋 gave an update on the ongoing crisis. He said that a total of 175 lives has been lost in the recent turmoil. Of this, 166 individuals have been identified, while identities of the 9 deceased are yet to be ascertained. Among the deceased, 79 bodies have been claimed by their families, leaving 96 unclaimed. The unclaimed bodies of the deceased are currently deposited at mortuaries of different medical facilities, with 28 at RIMS, 26 at Jennings, and 42 at Churachandpur District Hospital. In addition to the loss of life, 1,108 people have been reported injured, and 32 individuals remain missing. The crisis has also witnessed a significant number of arson cases, with 5,172 reported incidents, the IGP said. A concerning aspect of the crisis has been the loss and recovery of arms and ammunition. A total of 5,668 arms, 6,64,002 rounds of ammunition, and 14,825 explosive devices has been accounted for. Out of these, security forces have successfully recovered 1,329 arms, 15,050 rounds of ammunition, and 400 explosive devices. Police have registered 9,332 FIRs and made 325 arrests. Additionally, 360 bunkers have been dismantled in effort to de-escalate tension, IGP Muiba informed.
Regarding the arms and ammunition that were lost, we have recovered 1,329 arms, 15,050 ammunition, and 400 bombs. We have bound down under preventive arrest 37,286 persons during this entire crisis. Right now, the convoy movement is moving smoothly. National Highway 2 also has been opened from today, and we have destroyed 360 bunkers. Today, the various barricades that were there from 𝐀𝐋𝐋 to Kangba, those all have been removed. All the completely cleared, smooth roads that was taken today.